Welcome back to the channel, guys. OJ Marketing. You can actually start making money today with CPA marketing utilizing a very free and cool ad traffic that I'm going to show you right now in this particular video. So I want you to just simply stick on and watch this video to the end to be able to learn this simple strategy and go on to making money with CPA marketing. You can actually come right here to my channel if you're new to my channel, because I usually create videos on CPA marketing and also affiliate marketing, how you could make money utilizing both platforms right there, that is CPA marketing and also affiliate marketing business models. So I'll also create videos on how you could go on to utilizing some cool and amazing free AI tools that you could just simply go on to leveraging to create stunning video content right there and right now. So if you do like such contents, guys, make sure you do go on to hitting the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, I'm going to be utilizing this platform right now called CPAGrip, and this is an amazing platform that you could use to go on to getting CPA marketing offers and leverage the power of content locking capabilities and also the URL file lockers and some other ways to earn money with CPA marketing. But what I'm going to be focusing more today right now is just getting your CPA offers directly and go on to promoting that utilizing a very simple and cool strategy for beginners right now. So all you need to do is to come onto this platform, click on register right here, of which if you do click on register, you just want to go on to providing your basic details on all the fields that will be having a red asterisk sign. It is quite easy to do so right now. I'm not going to walk you through that process because it's an easy strategy right there. It's an easy way to sign up to the platform. So once you sign up right now, you can also go on to logging into your account, and right now you can see, guys, I'm logged back into my account. To get to the page which you can see right here, just simply come onto this section right now. You want to click on the offer tools option, select my offers option, and you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. You will want to just simply filter your offers to any demographic of your choice right there. As you can see, I'm on the United States demographic, and this doesn't mean, guys, that you must come from a specific demographic to be able to promote offers to another demographic right there, or to be able to promote offers to a certain demographic. So if you are in any location around the world, you can actually promote offers to any country of your choice using this simple strategy right now. So once you've selected a country of your choice right now, as you can see, I'm utilizing the United States. I'm just going to click on payout to filter the offers based on payout. You can see right here that the top paying offers has actually gone onto the top and the lowest paying offers are going down to the bottom section. That is how it has actually been arranged. You can just simply go on to selecting a cool offer. As you can see right here, this offer is for you to access your Boost Platinum card right now. This is a very cool sweepstake offer that is actually going to give you a Boost Platinum card right now. All you need to do is to promote this to people living in the United States that uses Apple iOS device, and they need to just simply submit their email address and zip code while going through a survey using this link right now, and you actually get paid this amount, $2.06 for every person that does that. Now to promote the offer, you want to click on copy link, and you want to just simply go on to creating a simple landing page for this particular CPA marketing offer. You can utilize pages like our website like Google Sites, Systemy.io, Breezy.cloud, Webflow, Warrior Plus, Linktree, Bio.link, and there are lots of cool and amazing platforms out there that you could just simply still go on to leveraging to create cool and high converting landing pages that could help boost the conversion rate to your CPA marketing offers. So once that has actually been done, the next step, guys, will be to promote the CPA marketing offer right there utilizing this free ad platform right now called the freead1.net. Now with this platform, guys, you can actually go on to running free ad campaigns right now and promoting your CPA marketing offers to any demographic of your choice. Click on post free ad right now, of which if you do click right now, it's gonna take me to this page right here where I just need to provide my category right now and also insert the subcategory right here and fill out this form absolutely the way it actually appears. You can see right here that some fields are having these red asterisk signs right now, or these asterisk signs. Those signs actually indicate the required field that everyone is actually supposed to go on to filling out right there before you can actually go on to posting an ad on this platform right here. So you can just simply select the category of the offer. Since that offer is kind of like boosting platinum card right now, I can actually just simply select something that I do feel the offer actually do falls under. So maybe I actually go on to checking out the maybe something like the buy and sell. I can actually select a subcategory right there, since that is actually on a card right now, and we just simply go on to selecting something related to that right there. As you can see, this is actually computer IT, construction materials, or just simply select something related to the cards right now. But if I select something at random right here, maybe the computers and IT, you can actually go on to selecting a group right now, and you can see different groups right here. You can actually go on to also inserting a title for the offer and a description. As you can see right now, if I actually go back to this section, I can just simply go on to copying this title to utilize that if I do want on this particular section. But you also want to make sure, guys, that your titles are actually very convincing and very attractive to people, so that they can actually click your links right now. And also go on to the description, insert a very cool description right there, that you also want to go on to inserting the link to that particular CPA offer which you are promoting, or the landing page to the offer which you are promoting. Once you do that, fill out your email. This code right here, you need to just simply write that in this particular field available. The section for website, pasting the link to your CPA marketing offer directly, or the link to your landing page right now. But landing page are quite better. You want to just simply see that it is a YouTube section where you can actually go on to inserting your link to a YouTube video. Here right now is for you to go into selecting the country. I'm just going to select the United States. You can actually do select based on city and state. You can filter right here, or add some cool pictures and post ad for free. And guys, it is quite important that you use landing pages right there. They help you boost the conversion rate to your CPA offer. Like I said, if you want to gain access to some cool videos that show you how to utilize landing pages or how to create simple landing pages, come on to my channel, OJ Marketing. Click on the search icon and just simply go on to type in landing page right now. And if you do type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos I created for you that actually explains how to create landing pages on Google sites, breezy.io, systemy.io, webflow, and actually a lot more cool websites out there to create simple landing pages. So why not just simply watch these videos, learn how to create a landing page, utilize the landing page to connect to your CPA marketing offer, and go on to promoting this utilizing the free ad1.net. So this is an amazing strategy I hope you take advantage of even as a beginner and make money online. If the video did add some value, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.